the best part is you can, even if you don't have a laptop, you don't have a computer, you can use your phone, because I use my phone. You can be using your phone to answer the questions and also apply for the Fiverr affiliate. That is why I said no excuse. Like, whether you don't have a laptop, you don't have, as far as you have a smartphone, you are good to go. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make money online for free as a beginner in Nigeria. Guys, this is one of the best videos you will watch ever to learn how to make money online in Nigeria. I just found a free platform whereby you, as a Nigerian or in Africa, anywhere you are in the world, you can register for free today and start making money online as an affiliate marketer. I have been making research about so many ways on how we can make money online, because most platforms online, they don't accept Nigeria. So I wanted to know which platform will accept Nigerians. I wanted to know which platform will accept Nigerians or Africans anywhere you are in the world, and boom, I just found this one and I said I'll share it with you. This is my first video about affiliate marketing online. Guys, just believe me, when you watch this video to the end, I am going to show you step by step on how you are going to make money with affiliate marketing here in Nigeria or any part of the world. The platform I am going to share with you today is Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace. For those of us that don't know what Fiverr is a marketplace where people buy and sell their services. So now, what I just discovered recently, that Fiverr has a affiliate program that is free. So immediately I checked and see that everybody is free to sign up from Fiverr to sign up. I signed up, they accepted me straight without questions. I just signed up, put in my email and password. That was how it was. Very easy to sign up. So what you are going to do is, if you want to sign up, there is a link in this video in the description down below. Click on that link to go and sign up for the affiliate marketing program. So now I've told you free platform where you can sign up as an affiliate marketer to start making money online as a beginner. Like, you don't have to be a professional. As a beginner, you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, this is the best video for you. So even me, I am a beginner. I don't know much about affiliate marketing, but I just found this right platform, and the way we can drive traffic to this affiliate program, it is very easy. You don't need to have a blog, you don't need to have anything. Zero skills, zero money. No skill, no money, free of charge. So how are you going, now you have signed up for the affiliate marketing, how are you going to promote the affiliate market? Immediately you sign up, Fiverr is going to give you a link. You are going to go to your affiliate dashboard. They are going to give you a link which you are going to share to your audience in order to get traffic to their website. Because what Fiverr is trying to do is, they are looking for more customers that will come to their platform to come and buy their services there in Fiverr. So what you as an affiliate is trying to do is to bring somebody that will buy the services in Fiverr. So now, as you have gotten the Fiverr link, as you have gotten the affiliate link, what are you going to do with the link? So what I am going to tell you is, when you get the link, you are going to go to Quora. Since we don't have any website, we have nothing, we are going to go to Quora and type in the search bar. If you don't know Quora is a Q&A site where people ask questions, and some people ask and answer questions in Quora. So if you don't have a Quora account, just go log in with your Google account or log in with your email address. You are there already. So just go create your Quora account if you don't have. But if you have already, then that is perfect. So what you are going to do now, this step is to go and find questions. Like, for example, some people will go to Quora and start asking, how can I hire a web developer? How can I hire a web developer? Since Fiverr has somebody that can develop website, you will now go and answer that question, like how can I hire a web developer? You will now say something like this: hi there, if you want to hire a web developer, the best place to hire a web developer is Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the best places to hire a web developer. They have professionals, they have amateurs, whatever level you are, whatever level of web developer you are looking for, it is there. You type like that, then you put your affiliate link, that Fiverr affiliate link there. Someone that is asking that question is probably interested in hiring a web developer, so definitely the person is going to click on your link, and once the person purchases a service on Fiverr, you are going to get a commission. And the best part is, you can, even if you don't have a laptop, you don't have a computer, you can use your phone, because I use my phone. You can be using your phone to answer the questions and also apply for the Fiverr affiliate. That is why I said no excuse. Like, whether you don't have a laptop, you don't have, as far as you have a smartphone, you are good to go. So I am going to show you, because I signed up with my phone, and I am going to show you what I am doing, my affiliate dashboard, so that you will see what I am talking about. I'm still going to make a detailed video on how you are going to go about when signing up on this Fiverr affiliate. So if you want to know more detail about this Fiverr affiliate, let me know on the comment section down below. I am going to make a separate video about it for you to understand better. So yeah, I'm going to go over to Google now to show you my dashboard and also show you the questions I answered in Quora. So once you sign in, this is how the page will look like: fiverraffiliate.com, affiliate.fiverr.com. So if you just type in Fiverr affiliate in Google, you are going to, if you want to click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Then they will now say start. You see the start earning now button. You click on this button, then you are going to just go into the Fiverr affiliate page. Since I've already gotten the affiliate page, I'm just going to log in so that you will see it. I'm showing you because I am using my phone, so you will not have any excuse of saying, oh, I don't have a phone, I don't have a laptop or something. So I'm just going to log in so that you will see it. It is loading. So guys, this is one of the easiest way to make money online, even as a student or as okay. So it has finished loading. Now this is my affiliate listing. So as you can see now, guys, I have 10 unique clicks, I have 12 clicks, I have 0 registration, 0 conversion, first time buyer 0 and 0. You are seeing it now, 0 0, because I just started it, so I have not made any profits yet from it. I just started it, but to show you that it's working, I answered very few questions on Quora. I have not even started yet. About 2 how many questions did I even answer on Quora? I've started getting clicks from Quora to this place, guys. As you can see, 10 15. So this is my dashboard to show you that I am actually doing it. So now I'm going to show you how I answer the questions on Quora now to get these clicks. So I'm going to back off now and go into Quora again. I already have the app, so I'm going to open up the Quora app. So this is, go to my home page, content and stats. Wow. So as you can see, I have say, how can I hire an e-commerce developer? I'll open up this one now so that you will see it. So I answered this question. They say, how can I hire an e-commerce developer? I answered this question yesterday and it has already gotten 39 views. I answered it yesterday and it has already gotten 39 views. So I also put this in there. This is kind of a banner, a picture, so that it will grab people's attention to read my answer. So if you want to know how you kind of write good content on Quora to get traffic to your affiliate links, just let me know in the comment section so that I'll do a separate video. I'll explain how everything is very well. This video is just simple video for me to just show you how you can go about it easily.